So we're here today to initiate and break ground on one of our newest H2 Ohio projects. We now have over 100 either in progress or already completed throughout Ohio. People typically think of a wetland as a shallow body of water that has vegetation around it, but it's a natural, small, shallow lake.
This one is our wetlands, so we're restoring wetlands on the property. This used to be a golf course, and this is going to allow us to create 13 additional wetlands. Really understand what the importance of the wetlands and educating people about why it's so important to protect our water quality in our region.
The end goal is the same for everybody, and that is to improve water quality, to make safe drinking water, clean water for people to enjoy and benefit from, and they don't have to worry about that into the future. 2 years from now, you'll be able to see the project completed, but in 5 to 10 years, you'll actually see the overall benefit. The wildlife will find it, the plant life will find it, it'll look very pretty, and people can enjoy that for a long time into the future.
So we are removing like this section of cart path, but that's to make a bigger connection and a bigger loop right through here. So one of the benefits of this being a golf course was that we were blessed with having over 4 miles of cart paths remaining, which makes a great start for an established paved trail system here, so that people of all skills and abilities can come out to the site and enjoy it once the restoration is complete. Well, we'll probably reduce it to be about 3 miles, because we're going to take those smaller loops from the cart paths and eliminate some of the smaller ones to create bigger and stacked loops. But they will be spread out throughout Spring Run Conservation Area and create some accessibility to each of these wetland complexes for people to experience and learn about the importance of wetlands.